Hi friends, today I'm sharing with you all the recipe of chili paneer in a much healthier way and very less use of oil. I'm using Chink's chili paneer masala premix to make it. You get chili paneer premix of many companies. With it I'm using onion, garlic, chili, ginger, paneer and capsicum. I have sliced them into pieces and then in a pan I'm going to shallow fry them. I'm using cold pressed oil. I'm not using refined oil. First of all, I'm going to shallow fry paneer. People also deep fry paneer, but I'm shallow frying it. After I have shallow fried paneer, I will again not add any oil to it and I will shallow fry onions and capsicum. Once they are shallow fried in the same pan without adding any oil, I will put ginger, garlic and chili. Now we'll prepare the premix. Take the premix, add some soya sauce, vinegar and tomato sauce in it. And then in the pan, add all your this shallow fried material and the premix water. And let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. You can adjust the consistency of water or any sauces according to your taste. And after 10 minutes, you will see that it has thickened due to the presence of cornstarch in it. I have used premix of many companies and I have found the premix of Knorr to be best. So yeah, that was all. Thanks for watching.